Hello students, we have learned in English capital A to Z, small letters A to Z, and from today onwards we will learn how to write cursive writing, small cursive writing in English. So I will not teach you serially because in English small cursive writing we have some strokes, some loops and some upward stroke, some downward stroke, and we have to join the letters or the same letters or another letters. So I will teach you first stroke. Today I will teach you curved wave stroke. See how it is written, curved wave stroke. Small letters generally are written in between first blue line and second blue lines. To curved wave stroke, how to write? Make a slanting line and come a little bit downward. Just up to here. This is called curved wave stroke. Again I am writing. Make a slanting line and from the first blue line come down. This is curved wave stroke, just like an slanting umbrella. So first we will write using this stroke C. Make a slanting line, come down, then again go back, make a curve and go up. C, small cursive C. Again look at here. Make a slanting line from the first blue line, come down just a little bit. Then again go back, make a curve and come up. This is small c. I am not teaching you first small cursive A because you have to practice it stroke wise. तो देखो पहले how I have written here individually. Now you have to practice it by joining the letters. Make a slanting line, come down, go back, make a curve, go up. Again, come down a little bit, go back, make a curve, again go up, come down a little bit, make a small curve, go up. So here I have written stroke, I have written individually, and again I have joined the letters. This is curved wave stroke because ये कर्व है और इसमें एक वेव आता है यहाँ तक, उसके बाद हम लोग कर्व बना करके ज्वाइन करते हैं. और we have each and every letter we have a tail because सबका पूंछ होता है क्योंकि पूंछ से हम लोग दूसरे लेटर्स को मिलाते हैं. तो you have to practice it at home. Strokes, small c individually and joining the letters C here. So this will be the homework. Thank you.